What's up? How y'all doing? So today is well, Friday was Star's birthday, and today we having a little celebration for her. Surprise celebration at Le Rive in Manhattan. She has no idea. Homegirl was talking about how she didn't want to do nothing for her birthday, so her boyfriend decided to plan a surprise for her. And I hope she really is surprised, because yeah, it's about to be lit. I'm about to take y'all on a tour. I run down of the whole thing or whatever. Right now I'm driving there from Queens. My friends are in Brooklyn. They probably still getting ready, because no one knows bitches they never on time. Never. Okay. I don't really think I have anything else to say. It's just gonna be me like running my mouth about nothing, and I know nobody got time for that. Okay, so when I start really vlogging, I need, like, you know how everybody got like their little catchy intros? I need one of those. So I'm thinking of going with, like, if you're new to my channel and you like what you see, like, comment, and share to all your friends so they can like it too. Okay. I think it's cute. I really think it's cute, and nobody has that from what I know. Are you guys on time?
Yeah. Anytime I reach, I'm on time. Look at some of us. Are you done? She saw you? Where's she at?
Yeah.
Hey girls, all right? 1, 2, 3. One time.
2 times for the birthday, man. 3 times for the birthday, man. Fucking up a big birthday, man. Yo, money. Love you, President, nigga. No shit. No shit. Let me zero. Let me up now. Backing it up. Continue talking shit, then I'm backing it up.
It was an amazing night, and everything was a bit successful. And I'm so happy to be here with my sisters.
Yes, again. It's your birthday. Say something to the vlog. What's up, bitch? It's my birthday, bitch. I've been told that I don't really know how to close out vlogs, so here's the closing of yesterday. Star's surprise. My nose. Star's surprise wasn't a surprise anymore because everyone was late, but this girl. So yeah, it was still lit. She still had fun. She still got super drunk. What else am I supposed to say? I don't know. I don't know what to say. I don't really know. It's Monday morning. I'm on my way to work, and I might be late. You know, I'm definitely gonna be late because it's definitely traffic. See you guys later.